The word courage, in its Latin root, comes from cor, C-O-R, cœur, courage in French. Courage. My father had a huge heart, even though sometimes we argued quite a lot, but he did have a huge heart. And his legacy led to a personal journey of me. I wanted to understand the mechanics of courage, and I went on this life quest, a pretty crazy life quest to learn from some of the bravest people around the world. And I traveled the planet to meet some of the most courageous people I could find, from world leaders to renowned entrepreneurs, the people that we really look up to, the people that I've admired since I was a teenager. Financiers and famous athletes, but also racing drivers and scientists and everyday heroes. Everyday heroes, all to uncover what the essence of courage is. And from all my work, I distilled three core components. Three core components that all of these people, whether or not they were on the Forbes magazine cover or a woman empowerment advocate in the Amazon, all of these individuals shared three components that I want to give to you. Three components that I know are going to be absolutely essential, whether you're a fintech founder or an investor or just starting up your business.